Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change Facebook cover picture on your iPhone. Well, it is very easy. So first of all, simply open the application on your iPhone and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. So in here, after making sure that you are logged in, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the menu bar right here and then tap on your profile. So after tapping on your profile on your existing cover page, here you can get a camera-like option. If you simply tap on this option, here you'll get the option of choose cover photo. So if you simply tap on this option, here your camera roll will be opened, and from here you can tap on more option if you want to scroll down further on your camera roll, or not, you can simply select a picture just like this. Here you can see I can even drag this photo in order to adjust it however I want, just like this. And when you're satisfied with it, you can tap on the save option right here and save it. And just like this, here you can see I have now successfully changed my cover picture on Facebook on my iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.